So let me just start doing. So it's like a beautiful day. And where's our bikes? And I'm riding my bike right now. Hello. And thank you so much for so many subscribers. And I'm gonna draw something on the screen. Let me guess a color. Great. Oh, what's that? A cyan? I have to draw something with them. A flower, I guess. And I have to pick another. I promise, I'm closing my eyes. Red? What am I red for? For the clouds, I guess. Clouds. And that's weird. Red again? No, I can't choose it. Blue. Rain, go away. Come on. We pond. That's too cringe, man. Too cringe. So, I don't want to draw anything, but I can draw this. Okay. Oh no. Wait. Boom boom. So right now, I'm gonna draw another hair. And that's how I feel about you guys. So this is a short and you need to flip your... just fix the camera. If you can't see it better, so I'm just gonna grab that. And we're just waiting for the cat owner to arrive! Oh shoot! To arrive over there, because she's a zookeeper. And we are in New Zealand! So I'm gonna change our video's name to Marcus is the part of the video right now. And thank you for everything. Thank you for watching my videos, and thank you very much. Bye!